Okay. So, Ulinux is done. Now it's on to XE. Ulinux. tar xvf XE. And you know what? We can bang 323 because we have this in our you know, history. You know the number. No use in typing it all out. Bang. Okay. This 0.3 SPUs. Thought it was smaller. And then here, after this, our tool chain should be complete. All we have to do now is strip off. So the steps in this section are optional, so you don't have to do this, but I do it anyway because I like to keep things nice and slim, right? And we're not building bloat OS. But if the LFS partition is rather small, it is beneficial to learn that unnecessary items can be removed. This is true. Executables and libraries are built so far contain about 70 megabytes of unneeded debugging symbols. Remove those symbols with strip, blah 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 blah. Okay, and that's what we'll do. So, it's good to get in a nice habit of good housekeeping. I think that's why a lot of operating systems we have today, even on Linux, are just massive, huge, disgusting, and just chew up all kind of resources. Okay, we're really getting into an issue of bloat OS, and you know, LFS is not exempt. I say this, I've said this in every series of toots I think I've had forever now about bloat. So if you're new, I talk about this a lot. If you're old, just raise your fist with me. Okay. It's our struggle. Alright. XE is done. Now, we don't have to do anything else, but we do and should strip these off. So we'll say strip, debug, tools, lib, all. Okay, these commands will skip a number of files printed as not recognized in the file format. Most of these scripts are instead of binaries, or most of these are scripts instead of binaries. Okay. So, and let's say remove recursive verbose. Well, maybe not verbose because that's a lot. Tools, comma, share. Okay, / info man doc. Okay, it says here, the commands in the remainder of this book must be performed while logged in as user root and no longer as LFS. Also double check that LFS is set in the root environment. So we are LFS. Let me say, who am I? I'm LFS. I'm going to exit. Okay. And let's check and see our LFS variables there. And it is. Okay. And it says here, we should say chown or, even though it probably already is, root, or $LFS tools directory. Okay. It talks about backing up your temporary toolchain and all that stuff. I'm not really going to go into that. We're still here, so I'm just going to keep it that way. I'm going to cut the video here, and we'll pick it up in chapter 6.2, where we actually prepare the virtual kernel file system. The fun stuff. Peace out.